Hello and welcome. My name is Tony Villarreal. I'm from the BizWorks blog, and I wanted to do a brief introduction here on one of the web applications or websites that I learned about in class, as well as what I've been utilizing in class as well. It is called Kahoot, and it can be used as an icebreaker. It can be used as something you want to use for pre-quizzes or for quizzes, something like that, or even just something to have fun in class. It is something where you do access online, and students can either access it either on their apps, mobile apps as well, or if they want to access it online as well, simply by entering a code. They can go ahead and get in the game, and then you'll, whether you have a pre-built quiz already in there, or if you have one of the many quizzes they have already built online, students can go ahead and play on that. And students have the option to either play individually or as a team, as a group. And I'll show you a little bit on how this works. So assuming that you already have your account already made, and you already have your Kahoot already built, in this case I'm going to give you an example of a Kahoot that I made for my business classes. So as of right here, you show this screen to the kids will go to kahoot.it, put in the code 126407. Once they enter, it'll show that they have players coming in. Let me just I'm gonna put in a fake name here, so John. Okay, there you go, you see John's in. So let's say that that's it, that's gonna play as of right now, but you could have 20-30 kids, whatever it might be. The first question you're gonna have is, what does HR stand for? So as soon as they read that, they have 10 seconds to answer. Of course, the faster that you answer this, the more points you get. So for example, on their phone, they have to put in the answer. Now once they put that answer in, it'll give them their points as far as how fast they answered that. Okay, and then we'll go on to the next question. Same thing, show your leaderboard. In this case, we only have one person as of right now, of course. Second question, they get to read the question real quick, went up to 1,000 points. As soon as they see it here, okay, they'll put it in. Okay, somebody puts in an answer, it'll show on their screen incorrect automatically, give you the right answer. Okay, and then it'll update your leaderboard from there. So you kind of get an idea how that works there. So I ended it off right there real quickly. I did want to go ahead and show you some of the other things they have on here as far as Kahoots that are already built in. So that was a Kahoot that I made right there. I entitled it Business. 10 questions, just some things that we learned over in my business classes throughout the year. But if you ever want to look at different things, I mean, they have tons of Kahoots that you can use on here. And again, you can use them as icebreakers. You can use them as there's things to do during the day if you need to have some fun, if maybe you're losing interest with the kids. In this case, that's, look at one of these here. History of Pokemon. Okay, so if you want to go to Pokemon, you see there's 10 questions. These are the 10 questions that are going to be in there. Okay, you have 20 seconds to answer each one of those, and you have 4 choices to choose from. Okay, so it's a pretty simple thing to do. If you want to utilize that in class, remember your kids will have to have access to either a computer, a laptop, or even just their mobile phone. They can access it through Kahoot.it, or if they have the mobile app as well, they can download the app and they can join that way as well. It's a very great thing to do in class, very fun. It keeps the students motivated, and it's something they look forward to as well. So if you have any questions, I'll be posting this at my blog, and go ahead and ask me any questions if you need be. Thank you.